Habai keren beginong patai kubor ubak Prestone Tunsong ulaong bakila sedang ya kakam bakila Bthah ebrok ki Deputy Commissioner bakin kenrai kinu gejaka kiba ki suban yo jengtip bat deiru ban kem mardor kinong Bangladesh de ki Rohingya kibon sa Beaiñ hagane kejela ke Sorkar jela kelashe mene ke senjam halo ke jing Bthah jong ke tenat Home Affairs jong ke Sorkar pedeng babarok ki jela ki dibentau ya ki Special Task Force haman nagi district ban kenra ban kem ya ki nong Bangladesh bat ki Rohingya ki bon sa Beaiñ hagane keri halor ke jing yo ke jing Bthah bantau ke Special Task Force Uba Prestone Tunsong ulang baka jelak la dan lupa ke District Task Force bala da benchet bagi day ban pet ngor ki breu ki bawan chak ne ke jela bat ki basa ki district kumbala kedau ha ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act arhajar ka nreo.
Yes, we are on the job. We have already given the direction to all the district commission, all the deputy commissioners to crack down wherever they suspect or wherever they receive inputs that they should be arrested immediately.
So whether task force is being formed?
A task force of what? Task force we do already. See, if you talk about the district task force, that we already have. The district task force about this finding out people who comes to the state, who stays in different district. That district task force is already there under the MRSSA Act, which was passed then, and even this district task force is operationalized, and we do have this district task force. But as far as the illegal foreign migration is concerned, we already directed all the district magistrate and the DCs to crack this and put this on priority basis.